Hi, hello. I think I figured it out now how to do it. Um, and I had recorded another video through the app, through the submitting page, and it didn't save. So, whatever, that's gone. It was actually quite funny. But anyway, so the reason why I'm kind of lost in all of this is because I've been traveling across country. So I was in California, I'm now in Detroit, and this is to give you the introduction. And therefore, it seems a little bit challenging to catch up with this course material and the other course material. Um, and it seems to be challenging to track the right pulse. The pulse has been behaving really badly. So for the purpose of this exercise, we are trying to find the pulse again. So how to locate the surface pulse is by placing the left wrist on my right hand. I'm quite relaxed right now while I'm sitting, uh, and not so relaxed, but yeah, just where I'm sitting now. And then I go up when I said above um the bony prominence, I meant beyond. So just past the bony prominence, there's a hollow space. I think that's the right place. That's where I feel pulsating. But because my pulse is very weak, I find it difficult to tell whether I'm doing it right or not. I have not been able to try on anybody else right now. So next to the artery in the hollow space, I place my 3 fingers and I've cut my nails. So as I've been feeling for the last 3 weeks since I left California, I'm only feeling this irregularity, this feeling. So at first when I left California, the feeling under the vata finger was irregular for sure, quite kind of light, not so dry as it is now. So it's kind of dry right now. It's very regular, so it comes in and out. It's like a very shy child who's hiding. And then, so these are the main qualities. Since I've arrived in Detroit, it also feels slightly oily, but I've been trying to get... It's kind of interesting because it feels oily, yet I'm very, very dry. My hands are super dry. I've put oil in my hands, but it feels dense. And I've put on weight, like I put on 5 kilos in the last 2 days. I don't know how it happens, but this is how my body works, pretty much. So it's always kind of shy, irregular, dry. When I was in California, it was so the other thing I said in the other video is that as opposed to when I was in California, that I felt the heat. I don't feel that much of the warmth right now, as much as I felt it when I was over there. But I lived in the desert, so I suppose that made a lot of sense. But I do feel the temperature is just even. So I would have expected it to be quite cool, as in the vata qualities, but it's actually quite even. And I've just had lunch and it's still very weak. I don't know. I think it's because I'm not very happy here. But this goes beyond the purpose of the video. Anyway, I hope this video works out, and I'm really sorry about the delay and all that. I'll be a much better student going forward. Thank you so much. Bye bye.